We got 13 dogs, all waiting patiently. We got Rado in the mix right over here. And we also have Jake and Opal joining the other dogs. No. Sit. Let's go. Jake, sit. Right. Good girl, Allie. We got a car up there. Heel. Nope. Oh yeah. Nope. What was good with that was Bucky out there in front. He was always in front. Didn't bark. Good boy, bud. Thought I'd do a little synopsis of what each dog is like. Starting with Tioga, my dog right there. He can be kind of the referee. He likes to play, but he only really likes to be chased if he's holding something. Otherwise, he's not into it or he's refereeing. And then there's Belle over there. Belle is a sweet, fun-loving gal who comes in hard like a tank, but super fun energy. And she's matched well with Midge there, who's looking at the stick. Good girl. Because these two are very similar in their play style. Just fun-loving, but strong. Let's see. We have Allie, Allie's come a long way. Huh, Allie? She used to come in a muzzle all the time. And now she's not in her muzzle very often at all. And she's been a good girl. Huh, Allie? Good dog. And then there's Zen. He's like my second right-hand man besides Tioga. He's really good at helping me meet new dogs or introduce new dogs into the pack. He's a good judge of character. He's super sweet and definitely wouldn't fight back, but also realizes when a dog's not comfortable, he'll move away. Then there's Alan. Alan came a while ago for some serious reactivity, and he's been doing really, really well. I've only seen him twice in the past year or so, probably, and he's done really well. He's just a little uncertain, so he hangs by my side, don't you, Alan? Come on, let's go. And then way up there, the German Shorthair Pointer, Birdie, come, with Opal at her side. So Birdie was here a while ago. She's not very old, but she's always good girl. Birdie, sit. Good. Break. She's always up in front, sniffing about, looking for whatever's up there. And she's not very old, and she was here for a board and train a while ago. And then there's Opal, new girl, who's here for 3 weeks. You guys have met her. That black and white dog, she's learning about how to be around other dogs, and she's doing a pretty good job. And then we have Rado, good boy, and Jake, good boy. These guys just got here. They're here for, well, a couple, 5-6 days ago. They're here for 3 weeks total, just board and train. So he's young and rambunctious and has a lot of fun, and he's an older dude who's super chill. And they're just here learning the ropes with the Adventure Dog Day Camp pack. And then we have Ray, that golden doodle there. Hey, Ray, good boy, bud. He was here for a few weeks of board and train, actually not even that long. And he's done really, really well. He's coming out of his shell. And his brother right there, Mookie, who's the other doodle up there. Actually, Ray is a Labradoodle. Mookie right here, woo! He is the golden doodle. Pretty certain that's how it is. Anyway, he's a sweet guy. He lives with Ray Donovan, and he was here for about 10 days of board and train work. And he's come a long way, but he was really sweet, kind guy, but just needed some obedience, and now he's doing great. And then we have Bucky. Good boy, buddy. Bucky, come, sit, break. Good boy. He is here for 3 weeks, a little bit more. He's mostly halfway through his board and train program. Super sweet guy, came really nervous, barky at people, and he's done incredibly well. So that's the pack today. And Bucky and who's over there, and then way up in front is Birdie. They're usually out in front doing their thing. Opal's just following her sister Birdie around. Then we have Allie, who's middle ground, just always checking things out, comes back and checks in with me. Then Mookie and Ray Donovan. They're kind of just fun-loving, and Mookie's out in front more, and Ray will come back and check with me. And then, of course, Belle, who's fun-loving and plays hard. Great match for that girl, Midge. And I think probably he's going to be right in there. I think he's going to do well playing with those guys. And then there's Tioga, who gets to be the referee and my dog, and probably the worst behaved sometimes because I'm too busy training other people's dogs. And then we have Zen, who often runs out in front, and then at some point in the game, he just walks by my side. You're a good boy. And then Alan, who's been mostly with me, he hangs out with Zen. And there's a full summary of the Adventure Dog Day Camp pack. There goes Tioga being his referee self. You saw that? I don't know if you saw that posturing. He is my pain in the ass right-hand man. All right, we're going to wrap this up pretty soon. Alrighty, well, there's a wrap for this Adventure Dog Day Camp. Nope, Opal, sit. Good. Gonna get these dogs home for some water, take the other ones home. And this is going to be, I think I have 2 more before I take some time off. No, Allie, be quiet. Before I take some time off for December and January. So check back in next week for more Adventure Dog Day Camp fun. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Looks like Midge is ready to take a nap. And when they're mostly looking at me, I will let them go. Good dogs. Sit. Good boy, Rado. Ray. Ray. Hey, Ray. 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 No. Oh, there's your good dogs. There's your good dogs. Break. Have fun.